We're walking along the river here in Dotonbori. We are going to the Osaka Expo 2025, and for that we decided to stay at the hotel in Osaka the day before. We had lunch before taking the train, and because it's summer, we had cold noodles. I was pretty hungry, so I ordered the mixed rice. We are taking the Hankyu line to Namba, but another way is by going by Keihan. Although Osaka is close to Kyoto, we don't usually go there, so this time it's gonna be an adventure. Our hotel for today is APA Hotel here in Osaka Ekimae. Pencil Bakery. The hotel, being super close to train stations, means that it's very convenient to look for food, convenience stores, etc. We will be staying at the APA Hotel Osaka Namba Ekimae. APA Hotel is one of the biggest business hotel chains in Japan. So many paper came out for Sankai. But unlike other business hotels, this branch has a lot of amenities. The hotel's architecture felt like you're in the Infinity Castle of Kimetsu no Yaiba. The room is so small, tiny. Business hotel. Don't expect comfort when staying at business hotels. It's basically just for necessity. Sashi. Beside the pillows are the controls for the air conditioning. USB, Type-C are the chargers. The TV is big for the room. Let's check a tiny bathroom. Amenities, soap, conditioner, and shampoo. Other amenities. There's a lot. And there's a toothbrush and toothpaste. There's a robe. There's no free water in the room, so you have to get one near the elevators. There's a pool, but it's not free. 2,000 yen per person. This is a joke. Let's check the paid pool area. To be honest, I was disappointed that the pool was not free and it was not published in the booking site. Not free. There's a pool here at the rooftop of the hotel. APA. Nice view of Osaka from here, from the rooftop. But at least, checking out the view from the rooftop was free. I enjoy rooftop views of cities from time to time because Kyoto doesn't have them. No tattoos. Wanted to go to the pool, but it's not free, unfortunately. Yaiba. Wow! Breakfast area for tomorrow. If you decide to have breakfast here, better include it in your reservation, as a separate payment would cost you more. The hotel also has a public bath, and it feels good to enter when you're very tired. Surprisingly, there's an in-house 7-Eleven in this hotel. You don't need to go out to buy snacks or necessities. This one looks good. Sunshine lime and tropical twist. This is the 7-Eleven inside the hotel, and it's regular. On the same floor are the other facilities. There's a laundromat here. Also a gym, but it's not free. Not so many equipment. It's quite expensive. Look at that. We're here at the second floor. There's a bar and restaurant here called 17 Club. There's a baggage scale here at the second floor. There's also a paid baggage storage. This is the entrance and the lobby. And then there's a cafe and bar here at the ground floor. Not very expensive. Just outside the hotel is the JR station, JR Namba. The hotel, and just in front of it is the Namba Station. And so many places to eat here also. It's much cheaper than those in Kyoto. Let's do some sightseeing in Dotonbori near our hotel. Dotonbori now. Let's go to Dotonbori. That's a hotel here in Dotonbori. Sugoi. It's a big Don Quixote here in Shinsaibashi. The popular bridge is over there. Dai-chan, Kankoku-jin-janai. The Louis Vuitton store here looks so fancy, so fluffy. Let's go to the shopping street here in Dotonbori. It's been like years since I went here at Shinsaibashi-Suji. So cute. 1200円する。かわいい。大ちゃんやね、見てる。So many capsule toys. If you're into capsule toy collection, there's a lot of stores here in Shinsaibashi-Suji. Sugoi. Not really apologetic. We visited the Daimaru food section to get some snacks. So hungry, I want to eat this. Wow, so many people. gosh, so many people. Glico Man. Under the bridge. We're walking along the river here in Dotonbori. Feels like we're somewhere not in Japan. Let's walk around the streets around Shinsaibashi-Suji. Takoyaki. First time to visit the At Cosme store here in Osaka. Sangay At Cosme store. We're here at Starbucks in Dotonbori. すごい綺麗。夜景綺麗ね。The streets are lighted with vibrant displays. I like the night scene. Very nice to walk along the street at night here in Dotonbori. Looks like Pontocho in Kyoto. What's this? No tobacco. Oh, what's this? すごいね。There's a temple. It was getting late, so we had to find dinner. As most restaurants here are very touristy. Indian curry. Let's go. It was difficult to find a good place to eat. Pickles. We were lucky to find this very local restaurant that serves only Indian curry. The curry was very delicious, but also intolerably spicy for me. So don't tell me that I didn't warn you, but definitely visit when you're in Osaka. After coming back to the hotel, for our second dinner, we ate the dashimaki tamago. Wow. With some inari sushi. Oishiso. Looks good. So big. We're going to the Sento. Morning. Literally just woke up. Good morning, Dai.
Good morning.
This is our morning view. Our room view. Haruka's Sutenkak Tower. We're going to have breakfast. This is the breakfast venue, Sky Dining Woman. There's a pancake machine. This is interesting, the sauces, different breads. Junk food. There's salmon. Yay. Oh, sausage. Kagoshima brand. And watery scrambled eggs. This is the salad corner. Cheese and ham. Web station. Using tofu in soup stock. There's also delicious grilled fish.
Shawarmushi with crab.
I guess one of the highlights of this breakfast is the seafood rice bowl.
Juice and milk. Cereals. Curry. And rice. This is Daichan's first plate. Share shite. There's a seafood bowl. And I'm having clam ramen. I don't like ikura, so let's put a bit.
I find that salmon eggs are too fishy for me.
Okay. Second plate, Napa curry and omelette. Let's try the curry. Oishi. Having the Japanese fishes and tofu, guava juice and pomegranate juice and some cheeses. Guava juice, cheese. Let's get some pancakes.
Although the pancakes come out slowly, I enjoyed eating fresh, warm pancakes.
Pancakes with different sauces. Smells so good. Let's put some butter. Such a nice weather for Banpaku. It's gonna be super hot. Press checkout one by one.
I hope you enjoyed this adventure in Osaka. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you again and stay safe. Bye!
So we've checked out and we're now going to Osaka Banpaku.